Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious fish kababs. First, select a firm white fish, like cod or halibut, cutting it into 1-inch cubes. Next, gather your essential spices: turmeric, cumin, coriander, and chili powder. Don't forget fresh ginger garlic paste, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a couple of tablespoons of plain yogurt to create a flavorful marinade. Now, let's get that fish ready for marinating. In a large bowl, gently combine your fish cubes with all the prepared spices, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, and yogurt. Make sure every piece is thoroughly coated for maximum flavor. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. It's time to assemble and cook. Carefully thread your marinated fish onto skewers. You can alternate with bell peppers or onions if you like. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Grill the kababs for 8 to 10 minutes, turning them occasionally until the fish is opaque and cooked through. Be careful not to overcook. Your delicious fish kababs are ready. Serve them immediately, hot off the grill, with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. They pair wonderfully with a cooling mint chutney or a crisp, fresh green salad. For an extra touch of freshness and color, garnish your kababs with some freshly chopped cilantro. Enjoy your homemade culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.